Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this window function in Google BigQuery. So in our last session, we have seen a lot of Windows functions. So today we are going to see this new concept, lag and lead. So let's start the demo. Okay, so what is a lag or lead? So basically, it will be accessing the value of a column from a preceding or a following row. So access the value of a column from preceding, that is a lag. Access the value of a column from following row, that is a lead. So that is what we are going to see it, friends. So our requirement is we are going to compare current day sales within the previous or next day. So previous means that is a lag. Next day means lead. So let me explain in the sheet. So this is our data, input data, source data table. So here we are having the column product, category, sales, and date column. So under the category, we are having clothing, furniture, electronics. There are three categories we are having, friends. So in the right side, you can see uh, product ID category. We need these columns like a product ID, then category. It should come like this furniture, clothing, and electronics, like that segregation. And sales also, it will come like that. And you can see, friends, focus on this column J, that is a previous day sales, right? So first column, I need to get like null value. Then second, in this first row, sorry, in this first row, in under the previous day sales, right? So we should get null value. Then here we need to get this value 150, and here in this cell we need to get 200 from this. Okay, so we need to get like we need to compare the current day sales with the previous or next day. So we need to access the value of a column from a preceding. So that's what we are going to do it. So likewise for 250, it should display like here. And this is furniture category as completed. Then next you can take it, friends. So first value should be null, and second it should take this 50. It should display like this, and 60 here it should come 60, and next 70 it should come because we are having 70. This 80 it won't come. Okay. So likewise for here also null value initialization. First it should come null value, then second 500. Here we have 500. So the same value it will be updated here also. It will be displayed here also. Then 300, then 800, then 700. So following like that only we need to get it, friends. So basically lag means we need to access the value of a column from a preceding. So that is what we have to do it, friends. For this lead, so lead, let me explain this later, friends. Now we are going to jump into this BigQuery. Let's try this requirement. So first we will try with this requirement. So how we can proceed like that we will try, friends. So let me write a query here. So my requirement is we need to compare the current day sales with the previous day. Okay. So for this, I'm going to write a query select product. Okay. So I need a product underscore ID, comma. Then I need category. Then I need a sales also. Okay. Then now now you just be careful, friends. We need to use this keyword lag. Okay. So lag we need to use it. Then lag of sales. This is the column name we need to specify it. Then over class, this is our window function only. So over class we need to use it. Then partition by. So partition partition by. So which column we are going to partition means category column. Okay, category wise we are going to do it, friends. So category column we are going to do it. Then order by date. Okay, so order by date column we are going to do it. Then I am giving us name as This is a previous day sales. So I'm giving the alias name here. Previous underscore day. Whatever name we can give it, friends. So I'm giving us previous day sales. Then that's it, friends. From then we need to give our project ID details. So I'm going to copy from here. So this one, this is I'm using existing one table only, friends. I will share the script to you. You can also create the table and you can do it, friends. So I have updated this one. So now I am getting some error. Let's try this syntax error, unexpected syntax error, something. I think we have done something is missing. Let's see. Okay, I think this symbol I forgot to put. So we need to give detail symbol. Okay. Okay, I got it. Category, sorry, category spelling mistake we have done. Okay, so now we are going to see it, friends. Now we are going to run this query. Now let me copy this query and I will put it in some notepad so that I can put into the description. Okay, so I'm pasting it here and later I will paste these things in the documentation and I will share it to you. So now we are going to run it, friends. Now we are trying to achieve the first scenario. Okay, so now you can see as per the requirement, right? First value it should come null, and second row it should come 150 because this 150 it should come here. Likewise, 200 it should come here. 250 it should come here. So likewise, we need to get the results, friends. First null value, then following by we need to get like this. Let's see whether we got it correctly or not. So for electronics, you can see 500. Okay, no problem. So null value it should come. It's correct. Then 500 it should come here. Likewise 300. Okay, then 800, then 700 it is coming. So likewise for clothing also it is coming null value, like that only we are getting it, friends. So we have tried achieved it by using this lag functions. Okay, now see, friends, I need this requirement means, for example, last value should be null. Okay, last value, and for this furniture category last value should be null. Then we need to get this 300 it should come here, 250 it should come here, then 200 it should come here. Okay, so whatever we have done this lag rate opposite. Okay, opposite to that. So we have to compare the current day sales with the next day sales. So we need to do it, friends. So how we can achieve it. Okay, we need to access the value of a column from following row. Okay, from a following row. So that is what we need to do it. So how to achieve means, that is very simple, friends. So instead of lag keyword, we need to use this lead. Okay, just I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste the same here. And here I'm giving some comma, and here instead of lag we need to put lead. Okay, this is the keyword we need to use, lead, for accessing the value of a column from following row. So we are comparing the current day sales with the next day. Okay, so that is what we are going to do it, friends. So here this is the next day sales, right? So I'm going to give the name as next day sales. Just I'm changing the name, friends, that's it. So instead of that one, next day sales. Now we are going to write. Now we are going to run it, friends. So I am going to copy it. I will put it in Notepad so that I can share this to you. Okay. Now we are going to see the results, friends. Now whether we achieved correctly or not, we are going to see it. So now you can see, friends. So this value, okay, this electronics it should come null. Okay, sounds good. Then 800 it is coming here. Yeah, fine. 700 it should come here. It is coming. Then 800 it should come here. Okay. Then 300 it should come. So we have achieved this, friends. Likewise, you can see it for furniture also. Okay. Okay. Sounds great, friends. Now I have one more requirement. So think about it. For example, this value. Okay. So the lag, right? So it is coming null value, and this 500 it is coming here, and the 300 it is coming here. Okay. For example, this null value should come here also. Two times it should come null value. This 500 it should come here. So how we can achieve it? So you just think it, friends. If you are if you learn SQL already, definitely you can answer it. If you don't know, no problem, friends. We are going to try it right now. So that's just simple only, friends. After this column name, right, we need to put comma and put 2. So now 2 times it will come null. Here also it will come null. Here also it will come null. Then this 500 it will be going here. Okay. So now we are going to achieve, try it, friends. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Now you can see, friends. I think we are going with this, right? Electronics we have seen. Okay, no problem. So this null and here also null. This 500 it is coming here. Okay, then 300 it is coming here. Then 800 it is coming here. So we achieved it, friends. Now for this clothing also you can see two value it is coming null. Then first value it is coming here and second this 60 it is coming here. Likewise for furniture also null null, and here 150 it is coming here, then 200 it is coming here. Okay. Then one more thing, friends. So that is very very simple. You can try from your end, friends. Now what I need means here in this column, right? So here I should get null. Here also I should get null. So how we can achieve it? So very very simple, friends. You can uh, now I think you have tried, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so I what I means here also null and here also null. Okay, so here also null, here also null. This 80, right, this 80 should displayed here. This 70 it should displayed here. So how we can achieve it means just put comma same to here. That's it, friends. So now we will check it for clothing. Okay, clothing you can see last column, last two rows, right? This one, this and this showing null, and the 80 it is displaying, it will be displaying here like that. Then 70 it will be displaying like that, friends. So likewise for other columns, other values also it will be like that. Other categories also you can see. For example, we can take for electronics also last two values, last two rows it is null, and this 800 it will be displayed here. Then 700 it will be displayed here. Then 800 it will be displayed, it will be displayed like that for electronics category. For furniture also the same thing only, null, and here also null, and this 300 it is coming fine. Then 250 it is coming. So then yeah, now we achieved it, friends. Whatever I have for this lag and lead I have covered, friends. So these things you can also try from your end. If you're having any issues, you can put in the command. I will try to resolve that issues, friends. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.